previous lecture discussed about the introductory part of the heterocyclic compound. Now today I'll start about the important part of the heterocyclic compound, that is the nomenclature. Nomenclature is very much important because in the পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে তোমরা যখন মেডিসিনাল কেমিস্ট্রিতে বিভিন্ন স্ট্রাকচার জানবে, মেডিসিনাল কেমিস্ট্রি যে স্ট্রাকচার তোমরা ইন দ্য আপার ক্লাসেস তোমরা স্টাডি করবে, সেই স্ট্রাকচারগুলো খুব ভাস্ট. These are the composed of the used of the various number of the ring that are not a single ring based structure. So say structure, say structure containing various heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound ki I already told that heterocyclic compounds mean the compound, the carbocyclic compound must be contain at least one heteroatom. So heterocyclic compound তোমরা যদি কনসিডার করো যে these are the some consideration on the base of that must be cyclic. Thus এটি একটি সাইক্লিক হতে হবে, লাইক কার্বোসাইক্লিক কম্পাউন্ড যেক্ষেত্রে বেনজিন আছে. Second one is it must be contain at least one heteroatom in where এখানে কার্বোসাইক্লিক কম্পাউন্ডে আমরা দেখেছি it's only composed of the carbon and hydrogen, but in the case of heterocyclic compound in their ring system, not a side ring, in their ring system it should contain at least one heteroatom. The heteroatom at least one means it may be present at the two, it may be present in the three heteroatom. So in the previous classes I already told that there is a some atom they are considered as the heterocyclic atom, and when it is incorporated into the ring, this is the known as the heterocyclic compound. The heteroatom normally in medicinal chemistry there is a various drugs যে সমস্ত heteroatoms আমরা normally commonly দেখতে পাই, that was the oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur. Commonly এগুলো medicinal chemistry যে সমস্ত ড্রাগের স্টাডি করানো হয় এখনো পর্যন্ত এস্টাবলিশ আছে, এই তিনটে অ্যাটম কমনলি জেনারেল মেথডে দেখা যায়. এছাড়াও ফসফরাস, সেলেনিয়াম এটসেট্রা অনেক হেটেরোঅ্যাটম থাকে. তো নরমালি আমরা যে ইম্পর্টেন্ট পার্ট আজকে ডিসকাশন করছি দ্যাট ইজ দ্য নোমেনক্লেচার. তো নোমেনক্লেচারের ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের কতগুলো বেসিক রুলস ফলো করতে হবে, এবং already overview already previous class দিয়ে দিয়েছি. Now going to the deep method, how we nomenclate the 3 member, 5 member and 4th member, 6th member heterocyclic ring system. So that one is a table, and this table is containing the name, symbol of the heteroatom, and that is the prefix. So nomenclature of the heterocyclic chemistry, that is the should be combination of the prefix and suffix. So where the heterocyclic compound containing oxygen and the prefix should be oxide. When there is the nitrogen, the prefix should be aza, and sulfur, the prefix should be higher. Let's see the example. That is the heterocyclic compound of the three member ring. That is the 3-member ring, and that is the cyclic compound containing one heteroatom. So here is the no bond present. This is the saturated compound, and here is the bond present, and that is the unsaturated compound. So এখানে তোমরা দেখতে পাবে যে এখানে একটা নাইট্রোজেন প্রেজেন্ট আছে. সো নাইট্রোজেন মিন্স দি নোমেনক্লেচার, এই কম্পাউন্ডের যখন আমি নোমেনক্লেচার করব, that stage should be start the prefix, that is the aza. Here you see that the nitrogen is the aza. So first one is that is the aza. We write the aza. Now going to the second table, and that is the table of the suffix. এখানে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ that is the table is the containing there are various of the ring size. So that is the 3-member heterocyclic compound, and 4th member, 5th member, 6th member, 7th member. এবং সেক্ষেত্রে কি নোমেনক্লেচারটা আসতে চলেছে এবং তার একটা সিস্টেমেটিক রুলস এবং ডেভেলপ করেছে IUPAC to develop the nomenclature of the compound, এবং this is known as the systematic nomenclature. Now going to that, there is the first compound that I selected, that is the nitrogen containing in the 3-member heterocyclic ring system. So this is the saturated and unsaturated, and this based upon the there is the table, and table containing that the saturated part, that is the saturated, এবং স্যাচুরেটেডে যদি নাইট্রোজেন প্রেজেন্ট থাকে ইন দ্য রিং স্ট্রাকচার, সেক্ষেত্রে সাফিক্সে কি আসতে পারে, এবং যদি নাইট্রোজেন না প্রেজেন্ট থাকে, যদি অন্য হেটেরোঅ্যাটম প্রেজেন্ট থাকে এক্সেপ্ট দ্য নাইট্রোজেন, সেক্ষেত্রে সাফিক্সে কি আসতে পারে। সেক্ষেত্রে 3 নাম্বার রিং সার্কিট সিস্টেমে আমরা দেখতে পেয়েছি unsaturated, that is the E ring, that is the suffix is the E ring, and যেখানে নাইট্রোজেন প্রেজেন্ট থাকবে না সেটা হচ্ছে E ring, IREN, that is the IRIN. So that is the 3 member. Like যখন আমরা স্যাচুরেটেডে যাচ্ছি এবং স্যাচুরেটেডে যাচ্ছি, that is the same with the nitrogen. Nitrogen যখন heterocyclic compound present থাকবে, that is the E ring, and without nitrogen, that is the E ring. In the 4th member ring with nitrogen heterocyclic compound, the suffix should be E, and without nitrogen heterocyclic compound should be N, the N. That is that these two suffixes are similar, and when the compound becomes saturated, and then the suffix should be N with the ethylene for the nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound, and E10 for the nitrogen without nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound. So in the 5 member ring, that is the Ole, Olivine, and the Ole. Here the 6 member is in, and without nitrogen containing, that is the N. And in that case এখানে blank আছে, এক্ষেত্রে আমরা যে ট্রাইভাল নোমেনক্লেচার যেগুলো আমরা অলরেডি জেনে এসেছি এবং সেগুলো নোমেনক্লেচার করা হয়। তো সিস্টেমেটিক নোমেনক্লেচার only based only specifically for the 3 member and 4th member ring, because 5 member ring এ আমরা ট্রাইভাল নোমেনক্লেচার ইউজ করছি নরমালি, এবং 4th member ring এ also use 6th member ring also use the tribal nomenclature. So when the compound becomes saturated, we go where the tribal nomenclature is not available, we go to the systematic nomenclature. So in the first case, that is a 3-member ring size, the prefix is the aza, and that is the saturated compound. So going to the this second part of the table, and that is the containing with nitrogen 3-member ring, that is the iridium. তো aza plus iridium টু ভাওয়েল একসাথে আসার জন্য এ আমরা omit করব। The nomenclature of this compound is the azidine. তো তোমরা যদি সেম, আমি আবার রিপিট করছি, that is the azidine এর aza portion এসেছে from the because nitrogen present in the heterocyclic ring system, and iridium portion এসেছে as a suffix because it is saturated 3-member ring system. When it becomes unsaturated, the nomenclature is like that azidine. Unsaturated ক্ষেত্রে azidine, because এক্ষেত্রে আমরা এই পোরশনটা এই টেবিলের এই পার্টটা because it is the unsaturated part আমরা কনসিডার করব। So like that we can nomenclate the another compound 3-member ring containing oxygen atom in the saturated case এসেছে। এক্ষেত্রে আমরা oxygen, that is the compound prefix should be oxa plus, that is the saturated 3-member containing without nitrogen, so that is the going to the eren. So oxa plus eren, so oxygen, that is the nomenclature of that compound, that is the oxygen in the 3-member ring system. So like that we can nomenclature the various compound containing 3-member and 4-member ring. There are various method and various compound. In the case of the 4-member ring system, আমরা যদি দেখি, that is the containing 4 member and nitrogen which is saturated, and that is the so aza plus saturated ক্ষেত্রে with nitrogen, that is the ethylene. So the nomenclature should be that is the adjective. So same oxygen ক্ষেত্রে that is the oxygen and thiolane that is the thiol ক্ষেত্রে thiolane that is the thiol ক্ষেত্রে that is the thietane and that is the fourth member nomenclature, fourth member system. So now going to the five member system, the fifth member ring containing nitrogen atom is normally known as the pyro. And where it is the oxygen five member ring that is the known as the furan. So furan that is the five member ring containing one nitrogen that is the pyrrole, containing one oxygen that is the known as the furan, containing one sulfur in the five member ring that is the known as the thiopane. So when the compound becomes saturated, the compound name has been changed and that is the pyrrole is the going to the fully saturated that is the known as the pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine that is the idine term has the suffixes or when that is the five member saturated compound and that is the pyrrolidine and when that compound becomes saturated. In case of the furan that we use the tribal name that is the tetrahydrofuran. And when thiopane going to the saturated and that is the known as the thiolane, and you see that the five member ring saturated without nitrogen that is the thiolane. So like that six member ring with containing one nitrogen that is the known as the pyridine. And when pyridine becomes saturated, fully saturated, that is known as the piperidine. And that is the pyran. When six member ring containing oxygen in their ring structure, that is known as the pyran. And when that six member ring containing sulfur, that is known as the pyran group becomes thiopyran because sulfur containing prefix that is the thio group, so that is the thiopyran. So this about the deeply nomenclature of the systematic nomenclature of the heterocyclic compound এবং এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট এই ক্ষেত্রে পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে মেডিসিনাল কেমিস্ট্রিতে আমরা যে সমস্ত ড্রাগস সেল স্ট্রাকচার আমরা যে ড্রাগের স্ট্রাকচার জানবো তার নোমেনক্লেচার করতে আমাদের এই হেটেরোসাইক্লিকের নোমেনক্লেচারটা এটা কাজে লাগে। সো যেহেতু সিস্টেমেটিক নোমেনক্লেচার এর সাথে সাথে ট্রাইবাল নোমেনক্লেচারও ইম্পর্টেন্ট এবং আমরা পরবর্তী ক্ষেত্রে দেখব দেয়ার আর দ্য ভেরিয়াস ফিউজ রিং ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইন দেয়ার মেডিসিনাল কেমিস্ট্রি পারপোজ এবং দেয়ার নোমেনক্লেচার ইজ দ্য বেসড অন দ্য আইদার ট্রাইবাল অর systematic or there are a mix of the tribal and systematic nomenclature. So that is the based on the ring system. So we will continue with the discussion of the there are the few commonly used fused structure ring structure and their nomenclature which is important in the upcoming medicinal chemistry classes. Azole series is important in their heterocyclic compound because azole series having the so much impact in the medicinal chemistry and various azole compound show the biological active compound or bioactive compound. So what is azole series? Azole series, the term azole comes from the agar. So agar means the compound containing nitrogen. That is the first consideration about the azole series. And the definition of the azole series is must be 5-member heterocyclic compound which containing one nitrogen. So you can say it is a 5-member nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound and must contain one other carbon heteroatom. Carbon ছাড়া একটা তো অ্যাটম নাইট্রোজেন কন্টেন্ট করে এবং আরো একটি হেটেরো অ্যাটম কন্টেন্ট করে in their ring structure, so that is the known as the azole series. So simple definition of the azole is that an azole is a class of 5-member nitrogen heterocyclic compounds contain at least one atom, one other non-carbon atom, that is the hetero atom, that may be the sulfur, that may be the oxygen, that may be the nitrogen. I mean 2 nitrogen होते पारे, either 1 nitrogen 1 sulfur होते पारे বা 1 nitrogen 1 oxygen होते पारे, but the heterocyclic azole series, that is a nitrogen containing 5-member heterocyclic compound that must be present. So in the base of that definition there is the various type of the azole. তোমরা দেখতে পাবে এখানে তো that is the containing 5-member ring containing 2 nitrogen atom, and here is the nomenclature starting from 1 2 3 4 5, and here that is the 1 2 3 4 5. So like that is a completely unsaturated, and this is the known as the pyrazole. Pyrrole, you know, pyrrole containing 5-member ring containing 1 nitrogen atom, and when it is 2 nitrogen at their adjacent position, 1 and 2 number position, that is known as the pyrazole. Pyrazole become partially saturated, that is known as the pyrazole, and when it is fully saturated, that is known as the pyrazole. So zoline and zoline, it is the important, and it will applicable for all of the cases of azole derivative. Right? When the nitrogen, 2 nitrogen present in the ring system at the 1 and 3 position. So here is the nomenclature, and that is the 1 and 3 number position e jodi nitrogen present thake, so this is known as the imidazole. Like that, imidazole when become partially saturated, it is known as the imidazole. When it is become fully saturated, it is known as the imidazole. So imidazole or imidazole. So these are the depends on the saturation of the compound. So imidazole, that is the nitrogen, 2 nitrogen contains in the 5-member ring system at the 1 and 3 number position. In the triazole cases, there is the 3 nitrogen present, and there may be 1 3 4 position, maybe 1 2 4 position, or maybe 1 2 3 position. Based on the presence of the nitrogen in the ring system, it is known as the 1 3 4 triazole. It is also known as the 1 2 3 triazole. It is known on the 1 2 3 triazole. So this is about the nitrogen, and like that, when all the 5-member ring, all the carbon atom replaced with the nitrogen in their ring system, that also known as the pentazole derivative. So when the one nitrogen, another nitrogen, it is the replaced with the oxygen, and the structure become like that 5-member containing the nitrogen oxygen present at their 1 and 3 number position, and 1 number 3 number position is present, that is the known as the oxazole nomenclature, and that is the numbering starting হচ্ছে 1 2 3 4, because আমি বলেছি in the previous classes যে nomenclature করার সময় যদি more than one heteroatom present থাকে in the heterocyclic ring system, সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা যে রুল ফলো করব, that is the first priority going to the oxygen, second priority going to the sulfur, and third priority going to the nitrogen. So here is the oxygen and nitrogen present. So first priority oxygen, numbering starting from the this one, and this is the rotated Saja way, where the next heteroatom, that is the possess the lower number, and here is the if you consider the nomenclature from that one, like that 1 2 3 4, so nitrogen, the next heteroatom nitrogen, that is present 4 now, and when this is the rotate from this way, and that is the content 3 number 3. So this is the right way of the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound when more than one heteroatom present in the heterocyclic compound. So this is the known as the oxazole. So this is the nomenclature of that compound containing oxygen and nitrogen present at the 1 and 3 number position. When it is present at the 1 and 2 position, the nomenclature becomes changed to the isoxazole. So that is the when that is the present at the 1 and 2 position. Like that, sulfur nitrogen cases, sulfur always get the first priority because oxygen is the absent. So that is the known as the thiazole, and when it is the present in the 1 and 2 number position, like that. So this is the known as the isothiazole. And depends on the saturation of the compound, it may be nomenclature that is the partially saturated oxazolic and fully saturated oxazolic, or thiazolic and thiazolic. That is the nomenclature of the saturated compound, depends upon their azole derivative. So azole derivative is the important topic of the compound, and based on the azole system, there is a pyrazole, imidazole, oxazole, thiazole. It is an important chemical entity of the many drugs which is responsible for their pharmacological action. Now, another one is the 6-member heterocyclic ring system, and that is the containing nitrogen. I think it is visible. So 6-member heterocyclic ring system, that is the containing one nitrogen, and this hetero compound is the known as the pyridine, and pyridine when becomes saturated, this is the known as the piperidine, and that is become the compound become aliphatic in characteristics. So like that, when 6-member heterocyclic ring system, like azole derivative, azole we considered for the 5-member heterocyclic ring system, and like azole derivative when 6-member heterocyclic ring system containing more than one heteroatom, and that the nomenclature will be like that. So like that, azole derivative when the compound containing two heteroatoms in the 6-member heterocyclic ring system, that is known as the diazine. So we know the pyridine, that is the containing one nitrogen in 6-member ring system, when it becomes two nitrogen, and that is situated at the 1 and 4th position. That is the known as the 1,4 diazine. When it is become 1 and 3 position, that is the 1,3 diazine, and when become the two nitrogen situated at 1 and 2 position, that is the known as the 1,2 diazine. So 1,4 diazine is the known as the pyrazine, and 1,3 diazine it is the known as the pyrimidine. That is the tribal name, and when it is the 1,2 diazine, it is also known as the pyridine. So this about the diazine derivative. When the one nitrogen is replaced with the oxygen, I mean 6-member ring containing oxygen and nitrogen atom, and it becomes 1,2 oxazine or 1,4 oxazine, like that 1,3 oxazine also present. So when the 1,4 oxazine becomes saturated, this ring structure, it is known as the morpholine. that is the tetrahydro 1,4-oxazine. It is known as the morpholin. It is important structure about the heterocyclic compound. And these are the common ring which is used in the medicinal chemistry. এগুলো ছাড়া আরো কিছু কমন লিঙ্ক আছে, তো আমি এগুলো অলরেডি দেখেছি। তো এগুলোর মধ্যে দেখো বেনজিন কনফিউজড উইথ দা পাইরো, দ্যাট ইজ known as the indole derivative, I mean indole ring. And when the nitrogen it is the situated at the 2 position and the bond become unchanged, and this is the known as the isoindole. Like that, when it is become saturated, that is the indole. When isoindole becomes saturated, it may be the nomenclature is the isoindole. The benzene and pyridine when fused together, this is the known as the quinoline. And when the benzene fused with the pyrene ring with the two own derivative, ketonic derivative, that is known as the coumarin. And this is the two nitrogen containing 1,4-diazine, that is known as the pyrazine. And two pyrazine become one is 1,4, another one is 2-diazine. One is the 1,4-diazine, another one the 1,3-diazine. That is fused. This ring is known as the pteridine ring. These are the some common fused ring used in the heterocyclic chemistry. এগুলো ছাড়া আরো কিছু আছে, ওগুলো তোমরা প্র্যাকটিস করো। এগুলো বিভিন্ন ধরনের হেটেরোসাইক্লিক, ফার্দার হেটেরোসাইক্লিক যে সমস্ত মেডিসিনাল কেমিস্ট্রি তোমরা পরবর্তী ক্লাসে পড়বে সেগুলোতে এই রিংগুলো ইনকর্পোরেটেড হবে। সো দ্যাটস অল অ্যাবাউট দ্য basic introduction, their nomenclature system and common rings of the heterocyclic compound. In the upcoming classes, discuss about the 5-member heterocyclic ring system according to your syllabus. Okay, thank you everyone.